We got him, baby. We got him. You all right? You all right, girl? Hard. Click.
There you go. Right. Now don't touch that trigger
until you're ready.
Yeah.
Hey, Chloe, down a little bit. All right, get on that target. Hold it tight in your shoulder. All right.
I'd say we'd be having a good Thanksgiving dinner. A little sporadic spread, but.
Whoops. I hate to run them off, but I got to get this blind set up.
And it'd be a lot for me and my sister to try to carry blinds, cameras, chairs, such and such home. Hilarious. Don't even care that I'm right here. We're gonna get you on a bird, Chloe, I promise. Getting ready to go. We got the Death Grip and the Rhino 180 blind. We're getting ready to go. We missed this morning. It was a change of plans. But Chloe, you about ready? Throw them pants on, let's ride. Let's ride. Alright. We just got set up. Wave at them. April 6, 2024. Chloe's in the blind. We got some decoys out. Ready to see what happens. We already seen 4 toms. But we'll let y'all know if anything happens. Some turkeys on the way over here to us right now, don't we? They're on their way. They're at a feed line towards us in our direction. They heard my calling. They popped to the tree line. They seen the decoys. I'm just gonna be quiet now. I mean, he's headed straight at us. He's at about 130 yards. Do you see him, Chloe? See him? We'll get back to y'all. Gotta get
I almost got him, but didn't really get the right angle, and I couldn't really see his head.
It's because we used a tripod. Oh, this tripod. We tried using it, but it's not really good because we're in these low-sitting chairs. She couldn't really find them because we bought this tripod. And our chairs sit really low, so we decided to, I was going to have her stand up. And when she did stand up, it was too low for her. And they're right here at 15 yards. There's no adjusting the tripod. So I kept trying to help her get on it and film them at the same time. And then, you know how it goes, man. They worked their way off before. Next thing you know, they're out of range. So, but you're going to go again, ain't you? There you go. That's the attitude. We'll get back with y'all tomorrow morning. They went and roosted on the neighboring property. So I think we're just going to get in this highway where we filmed all of them crossing. We're just going to try to get there, and depending on where they go in the morning, we might move for the evening instead. But we'll get back with y'all later on.
What time is it? Hold on. Anyway, that says 5:30. You ready? On our way. Thumbs up. Knuckle. Say we're gonna get a big old time today.
We gotta get a big old time today.
You ready this morning?
do that?
Shoot him in his head.
Now?
Yes.
Shoot his head.
Get it on his head, bust him.
How do I get on his head when he's not even here?
It's okay, just be still. Alright, hold on, let me make sure. Alright, there you go, Chloe. Tell us what happened.
I got a little excited. I think I just missed. I did it the second time and still I was a little excited, so I missed again.
Tell them what you gotta learn to do.
Gotta like calm down a little bit. Then after I shoot him and get him, then I get excited.
There you go. Well, we're gonna keep after him, guys. That's gonna be some really good footage right there of them birds. Those are some beautiful birds. Would have been a stud first bird for sure. But they ain't the only ones over here, and they weren't spooked too terribly. I don't know if they're gonna come back to those exact birds. They're gonna come to these decoys today. But I assure you, there's 11 other gobblers in the area, so it ain't no big deal. Tell them we're gonna get on them, Chloe.
We gonna get on them.
And here they come. Oh Lord, it's that big bird. And they're gonna come on in. You see how up there, buddy? They're but it is what it is, you know. I guess we're gonna head out. It was a really great morning. Had a lot of birds, man. I put her straight on them. She's a little new to it. So after she shot and missed twice, those other ones come in on a string and she was a little nervous to shoot. I can't be mad at her. You know, I was young once and I took pot shots at deer and missed all kinds of deer before I got my first one. But she's doing really good. I think she's thinking about taking a break this evening. So I might take somebody else, but I'll leave it up to her. But everyone just gobbled. All right, we're heading out. We'll get out of here before they get back in these fields. I don't want to scare them too bad. I'll be careful.
No, not yet. I can't get on him.
You see the red dot?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put that on that one?
No, I can't.
Okay, easy. Here comes another one right here. Feel your head around this way. That one long beard, see him right there? His head way up high.
Yeah.
Bust his head off of him.
I can't.
Oh. Let's get here. Let me pull this down just a little bit. Here we are, Chloe Bug. See, we're in the vine. Show them the decoys. There's Chloe. All right, now we're gonna get our other camera up here and film a little bit. There goes Darren. There goes our host right there, leaving us go. When he gets up there, Chloe, get your face down, face down, face down. On there, get ready. All right. When he gets up here, Chloe, you put that dot on him and you take a deep breath and bust him. It's all right, baby. Let me see. What's too high on your shoulder? It's all right. We got him, Buggy. We got him, Darren. We got him, baby. We got him. You all right, girl? All right. He's out there flopping, girl. You got him, baby. You got him. Let me film him. You got him, Bug. Darren, she got him. Oh, you all right, baby? Is your arm all right?
Yeah,
okay, rub it.
Hurts.
It's okay. You didn't have it exactly right. It's okay. Look, your bird's out there better than a hammer, Chloe Bug. You got him. Woo! All right, come on. Step on out of here. Watch out. Step on out of here. He's dead as a hammer, baby girl.
It is a hammer. Look at there. Come on, Buggy. Come on. Go see your bird here. Let me get your camera. You got your GoPro on? Go see your bird.
Oh, Jesus.
Look at here. We got to look at this. Look.
Hey, do that right there, number one.
Number one, Chloe Bug. That's right. That's right. Look at here.
Ain't got nothing on.
Ain't got nothing on Chloe Bug. Reach down there and grab
You can put your hands
him. Yeah,
on
you can grab him and hold him and look at him.
Hey,
There you go,
high
pretty.
five, girl.
Give him a high five.
You showed them boys up.
That's right. That's right.
Oh, Daddy Bill done put you on one.
All right, had to get him. Hey,
Give
come
me
right
five,
up.
Bill.
Hey, come
I
right.
told you he's coming.
Hell
didn't
yeah.
I said he's straight.
Yeah, he said, I'm going to come call him. He said, oh, hell no, he's coming out now.
Hey, I got broke over at Hill and I said, oh no.
Here
Hey,
he
and
comes.
I'm so mad. I was trying to get my video and it went to portrait, wouldn't video from up there, and then I heard her gun go boom, and I
Look,
looked
I
and I
think
seen him
she's-
flopping.
Look, I think she still got it on there. She got it.
Oh, she
was on him.
GoProing.
She was on him. She was on him, and she was like,
She's got a GoPro
she
going.
said, yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Look, she said, hey, you're just making me nervous.
Yeah,
And she let the
quit.
gun go.
Did you
and I
take
said,
your breath and stuff?
no, she forgot, but she got better. But the only problem was it was a little high on her, and I helped her, and I said, come on, Chloe, get him. And she flat
He's a
shot
big
him.
bird.
Yeah, he is. He's heavy.
He is. He's a
Really
good-
heavy.
Oh, them's good spurs, Bill.
About an inch,
Inch
on
and
it.
8.
Inch and 8, heck yeah.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong. He's knocked that edge out and all.
Yeah, look at there, Chloe Bug.
Shoot, that's a heavy
Woo!
bird.
Hold on, let me get this on here. He's flip flopping now, Buggy.
Hold him
Ready?
up there, Chloe, and let Bill.
Let's see it.
We'll get a. Dang, my camera's over
He's
here.
heavy.
Let me get a picture too.
Buggy, look at Daddy. Smile, girly girl. Oh, I'm on record. Hold on. Smile, pretty princess. Look at this here. It's a pretty. Pick that old gobbler up. See? Oh, he's heavy. Heck yeah. Hold on. Woo, Buggy got him. We got him right here all over his farm. Let's see. On this big old pretty farm. Buggy got him. What do you think about that, Chloe Bug? You flat got him, didn't he? He was strutting right in there with him, wasn't he? Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Hey, that's a big old thick beard be coming out of the chest.
Heck yeah. Let me get
We'll
my
get up
phone.
here at the woods, get some good pictures too.
Let me get my phone.
Son, it smoked that head for him. You got him good. You had the dot on him, didn't you? Let's see, we're gonna just send one on the Big Jackson flare. Hold it down at the bottom. Yeah. Down here because it spreads from the bottom.
Look at that pretty girl go there with her pink boots on. Turn around here, Chloe. Woo! Yeah! All right, baby. You put him down.